Papa asks, why would someone consider Seller SEO versus Jungle Scout or Helium?
So I don't like to trash my competitors. I hate doing that. What I tell everyone, and I will still do that to this day, is go and try the tools. I mean, we have a 30-day trial. Like, figure it out for yourself. We just do things differently. You know, Jungle Scout's more of a sourcing tool. We're not too big on sourcing. Our main focus is we're actually probably going to get rid of our sourcing tool just because we've decided that we really want to double down on the marketing optimization, ranking, the stuff that I think are the most important components of Amazon. On Amazon, like sourcing a product, people have trouble with that, but I honestly feel like people are relying so heavily on Jungle Scout and all these sourcing tools that they're not doing their homework. They're being super lazy. And they're also doing a ton of Me Too products like fidget spinners and all these things. That's why people get stuck with these products, is because they're using Jungle Scout first. Jungle Scout is a great tool, but you use it after the fact. You get some ideas on products, and then you start researching it, and then you use Jungle Scout or whatever tool you want to verify the demand. That's how I do my research. Is I go with my gut. I go with stuff that I feel is trending or something that I know a lot about or I'm passionate about, and then source. Then start digging into the data. Don't do it the other way around. So many people do that, and that's why they fail,
Mm-hmm.
because it's all Me Too products.
Right.